This wp6 alarm system comes with one base unit, one motion sensor, 5 door sensors, 2 remote controls and batteries, and all the tapes and screws for the installation, and also the charger. First, you need to download the wp6 app from App Store or Google Play, depends on what kind of mobile phone you use. This kit supports both the Android smartphones and iPhones. So, after you download the app, you need to resist. You can resist while the mail access. Enter the mail and password and confirm. I have resist, so now I want to log in. Okay, and press this one. Choose wp6. And this part, you need to input the correct Wi-Fi password and make sure both your mobile phone and the base unit are in the same Wi-Fi network. So if you have a dual band router, you must use the 2.4G channel and close the other one, or they will not work. So now I use the mobile phone data, but the base units are in the Wi-Fi network, so they will not work. I need to change the mobile phone Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi. Okay, use this Wi-Fi, same Wi-Fi setting. Okay, and click next. Let me charge. Okay, and hold these two buttons together until it flash. Then press. Okay, now they are connecting. Must make sure they use the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, and bind. Okay, now we are here. Okay. You can delete sensors or edit. Try again. Edit. Okay, try second one. Edit. Okay. Go to remote. You can delete and add the remote control. You edit and just click add and press any key on remote. It will be. Now let's check this function, alarm clock. This is the sound of clock. It keeps going off. Why it keeps going off? Because this base unit keeps going off because it's also a motion sensor. It detects me. It detects me, so active the system to alarm. And if I press it one time, it just can stop the sound. So I need to press it 2 times to disarm the system. So even it detects me, no more alarms. So press it 1 time means stop the sound, and press it 2 times means disarm the system. Okay, now no more sound. We can go on. And this function, timing means you can set a schedule for arming or disarming system. For example, I will set it to be armed at 8 o'clock every morning and 6 o'clock every evening. Then it would run as a schedule. That means I don't have to go to the app to arm or disarm the system every time. Okay, this arm at 8 o'clock every morning. And choose disarm. It will disarm at 6 o'clock every evening. Done. And you can also switch on or switch off. Switch off. Okay. This function is delay arm. I set 16 seconds. That means if I arm the system while the remote, it will not arm directly. It would run with 16 seconds delay. But if I press arm or disarm, I press arm on app, it would be only direct arm, not delay. So the delay function only applies to the remote control. Here you can choose the alarm tone. There are 5 options. And choose the volume. We can rename the sensor by click. This one. Number 1, sensor number 1 alarming. And you just got a notification that sensor 1 alarming, so you know your kitchen door has been opened. And you can also go to the alarm log to check. Here from the message, you see kitchen alarming. So this app is very good because you can DIY it, which sensor being active and which sensor being off. You can choose push switch or not. Close it. And this one, the red line. The red line is emergency mode. That means if you add it, sorry, because I touched this one. So this red line means emergency mode. If you put any sensor here, it means no matter you on or disarm the system, once any guy open the door of this sensor, it will alarm.